Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk through an easy step-by-step guide on how to remove your bio on Telegram. Whether you want to clear it completely or update it with something new, this guide will show you exactly what to do, quickly and simply. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your mobile device. Make sure you're signed in to the account you want to edit. Once you're on the home screen, take a look at the top left corner of the screen. You'll see an icon with 3 lines, also known as the menu or hamburger icon. Go ahead and tap that. From here, a side panel will slide out with several options. Scroll a bit if needed, and select the option labeled Settings. That's where all your account preferences and personal information are stored. Once you're inside the settings page, look near the top for your profile section. You'll see your name, phone number, and a few other details. Tap directly on Bio. This is the part where you can write a short description about yourself, something that others can see on your profile. Now, to completely remove your bio, simply delete all the text inside the bio field. You can hold down on the text, select it all, and erase it. Once the field is blank, Telegram will treat it as though you don't have a bio at all. If you'd like to replace it with a new one instead, type your updated bio in the same field. It could be a short quote, an emoji, or a short description of yourself, whatever fits your vibe best. After you've finished making changes, look for the checkmark or save icon, usually in the top right corner, and tap it to confirm. Your new bio will be saved immediately, or if you deleted everything, it will simply disappear from your profile. And that's it. You've successfully removed or updated your Telegram bio in just a few quick steps. If you found this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick app tutorials. Thanks for watching.